Hi, now that we have covered the basics of an exchange, let's try to go a bit further. We will perform a limit order, which means that you do not instantly take an order and trade crypto, but instead you put a target price at which you are willing to sell or buy. This means that your order will be placed in the order book and won't be executed until it finds a counterpart. In my example, I will try to anticipate a rise in Bitcoin price and sell at a price of, let's say, 25,000 US dollar or DAI on our platform. Yes, I believe that will break our last ATH very soon. To do so, I click on the Advanced Trading Interface link. This interface allows you to visualize the blockchain.io markets, see their charts, and perform technical analysis on TradingView. Note that all blocks can be resized and moved across the interface. Big plus, your custom configuration will be saved, but you can always reset the layout at any time here. Now that I have the tool in hand, let's get back to posting our bullish limit order. I select limit as an order type, input the price and the quantity, and click on sell. My order is now created, and I can see it in the order book in the block Open Orders. There are no expiration time on this order, however the Bitcoin I put is locked and cannot be used meanwhile. At any time, I can go to Open Orders and cancel my order. Thanks for watching.